Welcome to this video on developing healthy habits for balance. In this video, we'll be discussing the importance of developing healthy habits, how to create a lifestyle that promotes balance and well-being, and how to stay motivated while developing healthy habits. Learn how to make positive changes in your life, achieve balance and well-being, and stay motivated along the way. Watch now and start creating a healthier lifestyle today. Hello everyone, my name is Earl Charles and welcome to this video on developing healthy habits for balance. In this video, we'll be discussing the importance of developing healthy habits and how to create a lifestyle that promotes balance and well-being. So, let's get started. Part 1. First, let's start by discussing the importance of developing healthy habits. We all know that a balanced lifestyle is important for our physical, mental and emotional health. But, how do we achieve this? The answer lies in developing healthy habits. Developing healthy habits can help us achieve balance and well-being by providing us with the structure and discipline needed to make positive changes in our lives. Part 2. Now that we've discussed the importance of developing healthy habits, let's talk about how to create a lifestyle that promotes balance and well-being. The first step is to identify the areas of your life that need improvement. For example, you may want to focus on eating healthier, exercising more, or managing stress. Once you've identified the areas that need improvement, it's time to create a plan of action. Plan out specific goals and create a timeline for when you'd like to achieve them. Part 3. When creating your plan of action, it's important to keep in mind that developing healthy habits takes time and dedication. It's a process, and it's important to be patient with yourself and not get discouraged if you don't see results right away. It's also important to remember that developing healthy habits isn't just about working hard, it's also about taking care of yourself. Make sure to include activities like meditation, yoga, or journaling in your plan to help you relax and recharge. Part 4. Finally, let's talk about how to stay motivated while developing healthy habits. It's important to remember that developing healthy habits isn't a one-time thing, it's an ongoing process. Find ways to stay motivated, like setting small, achievable goals or rewarding yourself for meeting your goals. It's also important to find a support system. Having someone to talk to and share your progress with can help keep you on track. Conclusion. In conclusion, developing healthy habits is an important part of achieving balance and well-being. Start by identifying the areas of your life that need improvement, create a plan of action, and remember to be patient and take care of yourself. Finally, find ways to stay motivated and have a support system to help you along the way. Thanks for watching and I hope this video has been helpful. This video was brought to you by Channel Success Mindset and Personal Growth. Subscribe now and start your journey towards success.